Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to uh, show or hide toolbar here. For example, here I have some tool. I have one tool, magnetic laser tool. I lost it. It was high, okay. So now I want to show it. You can show it by going to click edit. You see here, and go to toolbar. Click on it. You can see here on the left side is available on the toolbar already, and here is what disable. So you see here disable, we cannot see it in here. For example, you see here we cannot see magnetic tool. So I want to show it here. We go again, and then I drag it and drop it here. Okay, and then I click done. You can see here. And you can also hide some tool here, like for example here you want to hide this one single column here. You can go to that also, and you can hide it if you don't want, and then you click done, and okay, you see here it's for hide. So thank you for watching.